Yeah, it's been a minute since I played this game. Going Crashland on this desolate planet full of fucking rainforest ostrich motherfuckers. I'm about to put those motherfuckers down. I'll tell you what. Man, I had
Broadcasting
enough
distress
of this
signal.
damn level. 6 minutes
Salvation
ago
in
live?
6 minutes.
Alright, just bring these
Stand by.
motherfuckers to me. I see you coming. There you are. Fuck right off. Alright. I see him coming on my radar. Who you are, bitch? Fuck out of here. Oh, you. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, shit.
Precision fire. Burst fire.
Yeah, burst fire, boy. I see you on my sensor.
Impale. Precision fire. Burst fire.
Yeah, I gotta remember what the controls are, dude.
Impaler. Precision fire. Burst fire.
Oh, get off my nuts. Hell yeah, you motherfucker. Piss the fuck off. Oh, yeah, I'm out of here, boy. Teleport out of here. On my radar. Come on, bring it. I hear you choking on your damn shit. Get out of here. That's right, son, bitches. I see you coming. I see you coming. Blasted. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here, man. I'm prepared for your asses. Yeah, you ain't got nothing on me, boy. I'm gonna last this 3 minutes and 47 seconds to go. Alright. I got an advantage here.
Precision burst fire. Launch impaler. Stand
yeah.
by.
Let's go in. Let's go in.
Burst fire.
That's right. Fucking shoot him up. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, I see him too. Dying on feet, sucker. Man, I got protected my ass. Shit, I got 3 minutes. Holy cow. Oh no, it's deactivated. I gotta get the fuck out of here. It's about to get heavy up in this shit. Got 2 minutes, 53 seconds to survive. There's a spider right there. He is. Shit. Get the fuck out of here. Getting too hot over here. There you go. Okay. What a spider. Fuck that. I'm not going out like a punk bitch. Get out of here. Man, I swear they almost got me that one. am I out of this bitch? I got 1 minute and 16 seconds to survive in this shit. Where you at?
Salvation in 60 seconds.
Oh, dude. Holy shit, you almost killed me. Fuck off my nuts. I'm out of here. I just gotta survive 42 more seconds. Shit, you guys gonna be witnessing my victory or what? Or my downfall? We're about to find out. Get the fuck out of here. Holy cow. Stuck.
Salvation imminent.
Stuck. No. Fuck, they got me. No way. Our salvation was so close. So LGBTQ, dude. I just got done running up.